Hello, investors. Welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Today, we're taking a look at Smart Financial Incorporated, ticker symbol SMBK. This is a microcap company with a market cap of $352 billion. It is a bank with all the standard services you would expect from a standard bank. And here we are on Smart Financial's annual chart. You can see it is well below all the major moving averages. You'll notice this precipitous drop back in March during the financial crisis, or should I say at the beginning of the financial crisis. And we had something of a recovery lately of a few months, and then finally the current decline that we're all experiencing. And if we move down to the RSI, you'll see it had just bounced out of the oversold zone, hitting that sweet spot, moving up. The stochastics are both oversold and moving higher, although the fast stochastic does look like it is just edged out of the oversold zone. As far as volume goes, this is pretty typical volume, just more red than green, as you might expect with the declining share price. The MACD shows it's below zero and it looks to be rising, although this is a very tentative rise. Hopefully it's a recovery. I mean, in conjunction with the other indicators here, the RSI and the stochastics, it does look like it is set to rise. And if we switch over here to the financials, you'll see there's a very low short interest at 1.02%. There's fair institutional ownership just below 50%. The company has less debt than 81% of other banks. And this metric is what I think makes Smart Financial attractive here. Since the banking sector is under such heavy scrutiny for debt and all the issues with devaluation because of bonds, the fact that this company has such low debt means that it is secure from those issues. So its future should be far more certain than other banks. If we move down to the PE ratio, you'll see it's an average for the sector at 7.8. Operating margin is also average for the sector. Well, I'll point out that it's almost 34% operating margin, which is excellent. And down below it is the net profit margin, although we're not given a comparison. Net profit of 26.51% is outstanding. And the return on equity here shows it, again, average for the sector. And then we have a growth rate that's well above average, beating out 73% of other banks. Now, the dividend is low for a bank at 1.54%. It is a bit above the market average, but the payout ratio is only 11%. So they can easily continue to raise this dividend over time. So I understand some people may be leery of investing in a bank, but given the low debt here, this one looks fairly attractive in accordance with the other metrics. But please let me know what you think in the comments below. And remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I make these videos for education, information, and discussion. But if you got something out of it, please hit that like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you enjoy this kind of content, also hit the bell notification to be alerted when new videos are posted. Or if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using the indicators I present here, just mention that in the comments and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your investments.